Aiden, can you please sing? Sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. To mom. Birthday to Tisa.
No, one more time, please.
Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. To mommy. Happy birthday to Tisa.
Okay.
To Tisa.
Aiden, can you please sing?
How about books?
Okay.
FM. Well.
Aiden, what sound does a cow make?
Moo.
What sound does a monkey make? What sound does a cat make?
I don't know, Monkey. I don't know, Monkey. I am Monkey.
Okay, Aiden, what sound does a cat make? What sound does the dog make? What sound does
There's a pig.
a pig make?
Oink, 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 oink.
What sound does a horse make?
How about the snake?
Oh, what sound does a snake make? Ooh.
How about snail?
Okay, what sound does a snail make? What sound does...
No snail.
Okay.
Let's have about the cow.
Okay.